we ask that the good God, Lord, continue to bless and protect and grant you a healthy long life. In Jesus' name, amen.
Honorable, we greet you. Eric and Prince greet you. We received very special gifts from your wife today, and we are so much grateful. We don't know what to say, but just to say we are grateful to you, Honorable, and to your honorable wife as well. And may God bless you and continue to replenish you. In Jesus' name. Yeah, the feeling is great. We have had a lot of, excitement and good reception from our Korean partners, Mr. Kim and Mr. Mary, have been very good friends. And I think we are very grateful to everybody, and we will miss you. We are going, but we are not leaving. You forever. We continue to remember you. Thank you so much.
Can you say something?
I just add to what Eric has already said. We appreciate whatever you have done for us, and we ask that the good God, Lord, continue to bless and protect and grant you a healthy long life. In Jesus' name, amen.
프린스와 에릭의 졸업을 축하하며
But sometimes you need a very good, powerful, influential friend. Husband or wife is better than friend.
Connections.
So today is, when are you going back? You guys?
This evening.
Well, you miss your family and you so much. But tonight, I thought that we are going to have an overnight madness party.
Actually, we had they were sleep.
I've had already enough. Visited a lot of places.
It reminds me when I also went to the United States for study. The American gays also helped me to study there. It's very similar that Korea invite you at that time in the United States, invite me because Korea was very poor. We were a developing country, so they invited me as a student. So that I went there and I finished my master's degree. And the day I finished, I went back. I can imagine. That was 1970. Before you were born. So you guys must be very envious. So make sure you are not Korea University. This is complete for the bread. This is firing for gold. And this is a memory of Korea, very special. Instead of Eric, make sure it's not for you. $500 each.
Yes, yes.
For others.
Congratulations, your doctorate, and I'm very happy to be here with you. And now you will come to Ghana, and I hope you'll become a great leader in Ghana.
Okay, well, this is, I think, the first doctorate from Ghana in Korea, and it really reminds me, when I see you, it reminds me the days when I was young and education in the United States and come back to Korea, and what kind of things our country did expect. I know Ghana is going to expect you really lots of things, and you can be the great leader, not only the leader, but you can be the whole influential person for your country as well as your descendants and your students. And we all proud of you very much, and I'm very happy for you. Thank you.
I think it's becoming emotional now because upon all what we have received from you versus the past 4 years, we still we keep receiving even in the last day. We cannot thank you enough. We are so grateful. We are so appreciative for everything, for the team spirit and the love, the care, and everything that you provided for us. And as we are going, as the professor said, we are going to do our best to raise the image of Yonsei University, and especially Professor Soyo's team, so that through that she can bring more projects for Ghana and for other countries alike. This is a good thing that we are teaching, and so what we have experienced in Korea, we hope to impart that on the students of the future, the future health personnel, so that they can become great, even greater than we are. So we are grateful, and we will continue to remember you in our prayers and in everything we do. We never forget about the love and the care that you have received.
And in our case, we're supposed to have come a year after they have come. So the thinking was, okay, now that Prince and Eric were successful, certainly we also get to. So that was always a reassurance. So some of our police lecturers, when I went to college, oh, our police are already there, so we'll go soon. So now they have graduated similarly. We are very hopeful now that it is possible. We can do it. This is much encouraging, and especially I must say that we can never undervalue the care and support that is meant to us. Indeed, for some of us from a very poor home and from the urban places, and given the family circumstances, this is more than a dream to have traveled outside our country and come and study and still live comfortably in a developed country like this. Sometimes you look at the meal and compare it to Ghana cities, you realize that yes, somebody is really taking good care of us, and we must always be very much appreciative. And now that they are out with your very kind support, we are very certain that in the next 1 year we must work hard. This kind of occasion can take place. So thank you very much. We are very happy about their graduation. So congratulations once more.
Yes, Ken have said it all, and I just also want to add that actually coming here has been very good for us as people from us, and watching the way of human beings so see it has given us hope that we can also do as they have done. So they have been an example for us, and some of my friends also find hard to get where they are now. Especially one important thing is that our accommodation has been taken care of very well when we came here, and that has been very special because we do have a comfortable place to sleep, we have a comfortable place to study and all that, and we want to set a goal and we hope that next year we won't disappoint you, but we also do our best and graduate as they have done. And we are also hoping to receive something very nice.
This is nice.
I 1.5 years before I involved with this kind of project, but fortunately I read this project and I come back and the time is really running out and to Eric Prince already graduation right now, so I'm really happy for this graduation, and then currently at Fire will be graduation next year, and then they already take their another research right now, so I would like this opportunity.
Thank you.
So we will be, I really hope to our project to finish the completely well to until next year. So, and then our community will be like the continue. Maybe. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Jiwon Park, and now I'm a master's degree. I just finished my first semester. When I see Eric and Prince at Jeju Island, I think, yeah, that is a very beautiful travel. And I hope to see you soon. And Kennedy Afaya, we can see much more
Congratulations, guys. It was very happy to say these things to you guys, and it was very nice for me that I can support you guys that anyway. So, and then also we make a lot of memories these days, so please don't forget me. And if you miss the Korea, then just text me.
Namaste.